Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Everything I want to say in this video does not support violence, but just my opinion of profiling solution to the insecurity state in the Southeast. Now, I want to start by saying that those people, when I mean those people, I'm talking about the major political players in the Southeast. They could be governors or senators. Those people who feel or think that if they release Nnamdi Kanu, that will not bring calm and security to the Southeast, those people could be tagged as sponsors of terrorism in the Southeast. Now, I want to state categorically clear, and this is just a suggestion and opinion. There is nothing that will bring peace to the Southeast if Nnamdi Kanu is not released, okay? There is nothing that will bring peace to the southeastern Nigeria if Nnamdi Kanu is not released. Now, this is not a threat. This is not to say that he is the one carrying out all those things. He is not. By the way, he has been in detention, and look at what is going on. And when this man has not been in detention, number one question I want to raise is, what did he do to tackle the insecurity situation? When Nnamdi Kanu was talking about restructuring, then in 2014, he said they should restructure Nigeria so that people can provide security, because there are already people in the bush trying to, do so many evil to their women, trying to kill their women. People are no longer going to farm. He started raising this issue 10 years ago. And that time, he was not even saying Biafra or dead. He was not, focusing on just the division of Nigeria. He was focusing on a good restructuring where you will have security, control your resources, and live your life like other countries do live. But people misunderstood him and they came against him. They said he is the one, sponsoring the insecurity, of which he was the one trying to solve the insecurity situation. To the extent that he understood the structure of Nigeria. From Abuja, police is being controlled. From Abuja, the militaries are being controlled. So they don't have, the capacity to tackle local insecurity. What did Nnamdi Kanu do? He also saw that the Southeast governors are not interested to solve the insecurity situation because they are being guided by policemen who should be in the bush. He started Eastern Security Network, and they were just in the bush, and they were solving this insecurity problem. Fast track to few months after that, these people, Southeast governors, gathered and proscribed his association, who they have never seen carrying weapon, carrying in everything. And the Ohanes and Igbo then, the leadership with the Southeast governor said one thing: if Nnamdi Kanu is arrested and brought home, the insecurity situation in the Southeast will be calm. Nnamdi Kanu was arrested. They brought him home. And after they brought him home, they saw that, come on, there is still kidnapping, there is still this, there is still that, there is still problem around you. Are you sure that is Nnamdi Kanu that is the problem? But they were so ashamed not to have accepted that they made a mistake and retraced that step to unprescribe ipob and reason within themselves, how can we solve this security situation? Because no one can solve security, the situation. It's a collective effort. And you can't do it as government alone without your people. And your people are no longer with you. It's a very serious issue. And the insecurity in the Southeast, if this action is not taken, it will be increasing every day. Now, after Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, did Biafra agitation stop? You can kill the prophet, but you can't stop the message. You can kill someone who is carrying a message, but you can't stop the message. Biafra agitation is like a religion. It started before so many of us were born, and it is going to outlive us if it did not happen in our era. This is a simple ideology. See, when you understand how all these things work, you won't make mistake when it comes to the issue of insecurity. Look at killing Osama bin Laden did not stop ISIS. They have spread all over. They are in Nigeria. When Osama bin Laden was alive, Osama bin Laden did not even have interest of spreading all those things to Africa. But Obama killed him. Obama killed Gaddafi. They do all sorts of things. How does it help? You being in a position of leadership does not make you a superhero or someone who has wisdom. We have so many people who are, I would not say I can't say illiterate, but they are ignorant to what it means to govern people or to lead people. Now, after everything about Nnamdi Kanu, and they saw that Biafra agitation is still going on till today, They are still talking rubbish, talking nonsense. Someone like Soludo was saying, I don't think releasing Nnamdi Kanu will be the solution. Okay, Soludo, tell us the solution. Soludo, you are not talking to the people. Anambra State is under siege. Every corner, every bit. I was speaking to a brother who last year you snap. So when you snap picture with Chinese people that they are coming to start up the companies in Anambra State, the company is supposedly the company they kidnapped those Reverend sisters. That company, is this still functioning up to today? No development is coming because you are not talking to the people. You tell them if you need help. And for you to think that releasing Nnamdi Kanu will not stop this shows that Southeast governors don't know Nnamdi Kanu. And you people underrating Nnamdi Kanu is the genesis of the problem you have today. There is none of you who have influence more than Nnamdi Kanu. There is none of you who can command the crowd, command the people that Nnamdi Kanu commands. If you people were serious, when Tinubu came to the Southeast to Enugu, you people were saying you are meeting Tinubu, but when he came, why can't you people ask him to release Nnamdi Kanu? That is to say that what people have been saying in our front is totally different from what people have been doing in our back. Southeast governors, you people don't know Nnamdi Kanu. He is far greater than all of you combined together. If this man will be released today, this insecurity, he will not use gun, he will not use tracker, he will use only one broadcast. If you see any kidnapping in Igbo land in that period, you know it's not Nnamdi Kanu that made that broadcast. That is what it means to be a leader. You command respect. Nnamdi Kanu commands respect. If Nnamdi Kanu comes out today and he put on camera or he put on microphone and speak that everybody committing crime in the Southeast, your end has come. The following day, if you hear about kidnapping, you know that it's not Nnamdi Kanu that did that broadcast. You might not like him, okay? Maybe you don't like him, you hate him, you do all sort of things. But that lies the solution to the insecurity challenges in the Southeast. Look at the news today just shows that 40% of ransom paid in Nigeria right now in this year we have entered, the majority of them is from Southeast. It's not fair. It's not fair. Why growing up, Southeast is the most peaceful region in Nigeria. The most peaceful region. The question I'm still asking, why did you people, the whole Southeast governor gathered, why did you people gather to proscribe ipob? They were not carrying gun now. They were just living in peace, blowing whistle, agitating. And you people proscribed them. You tag them terrorists. And that is the problem we are having today. You cannot say you are telling Tinubu to release Nnamdi Kanu when you have not unproscribed ipob that you prescribe. Because where people are, trying to hold Nnamdi Kanu now is, ipob is proscribed as terrorist organization, you are their leader. Of which ipob is not a terrorist organization. The whole court that said that ipob is not a terrorist organization, you people don't mind those courts. You people don't even give mind to those courts. Go ahead and unprescribe ipob. Go and do that. Because all these things that is going on, it shows that you people don't even have ability to control your people. Nobody cares about you people. That money is temporal. Next few months, Soludo will be out of office. Next few years, Ozodema will be out of office. Just nothing lasts forever. So how will you feel? Are you going to, is Soludo running to America like Obiano did? So government is all about your people. When your people are not happy with you, when your people are not with you, physically and mentally, don't be deceived by the psychophant who could be around you trying to tell you that governor, people are happy with you. People are not happy with you. I hope you are listening. People are not happy with you. The best thing you people should do now, get Nnamdi Kanu released from detention. Any governor who is against the agitation of Biafra is like someone who is against his people. Believe it or not, if you conduct a poll in your state and ask them who is supporting Biafra agitation and see the number, you will see that even all your cabinets are supporting it. This is a dilemma that you must comprehend. It's an awkward situation, we know, but you must come to the reality of this. Southeast governors, especially Anambra now that is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. And Soludo is saying he don't take releasing Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, what is your solution now? If Nnamdi Kanu's release is not the solution, okay, no problem. You have your own opinion. You have your own thoughts. Then the question I'm asking you now is, what is the solution you are bringing to the table? Is it to deploy military on the streets, killing innocent citizens, trying to extort money from innocent citizens who don't know anything? The innocent citizens are not the problem. If the military, you want to deploy them to fight insecurity, let them go to the bush. They know where these people are staying in the bush. They have the intel. What is stopping them? Now, let me tell you the last story I want to tell you in this video before I conclude. One of my friends, they have company in Anambra State. They have few Chinese people who are working in that company. Because they opened their company on Monday, then some persons came and made them that since you people are opening on Monday, you people are disobeying sit at home order, you people have to be paying. And these people who came to meet them, they are not even Biafra agitators. They are just Agberus. They are just Agberus who are leveraging on Biafra agitation to carry out crime because someone like Nnamdi Kanu is in detention. And you are saying releasing Nnamdi Kanu won't stop all those things? It doesn't stop there. So the owner of the company, which is my friend, now put call on the police. Come, look at the situation we find ourselves. Can you people come and help us and help to guide us every Monday? Because what we are producing is very important. Police told them that no, go and settle those people. So the question here is who sent those people to go and meet them? If the police says they should go back to them and settle them. Police caught another guy on the road. They asked the guy, why are you not at home? Today sit at home. The guy said, I am going to Delta State. I'm going to other states. I have appointment today. They said, no, you're supposed to be sitting at home. How can police be enforcing sit at home? This is the stories we hear every day. Is it the duty of police to enforce sit at home? So, seeing all these things in conclusion, I think the release of Nnamdi Kanu is paramount. Yeah, the release of Nnamdi Kanu is crucial. It's crucial. There is nothing you will do that will bring security situation that I'm seeing in the Southeast right now. Because the insecurity situation in the Southeast, it needs influence now. It doesn't need gun. It doesn't need bullet now. It doesn't need cry. It doesn't need kitikiti or katakata. It needs influence. Someone who is influential enough have to speak. Someone who carries influence, who carries power have to speak. And the only person who can do that is Nnamdi Kanu. If Nnamdi Kanu comes out now, right now, as I'm talking to you, I can sign and bet myself that insecurity in the Southeast will end. Within the twinkle of an eye, it will end. Don't doubt it. It will end. Now, politicians, especially people, not all politicians, I don't generalize because we still have good politicians, but majority of politicians leverage on insecurity that is happening to take security vote money. They will sign more money, for security, sign more money for police. From there, they will be embezzling, getting their money. Yeah, setting up security outfit like Operation Udogachi when there is no Udo. Soludo, what is it called? He set up Operation Udogachi, but Indian Anambra did not see the Udo. Where is the Udo Soludo? No Udo. Setting up all the security outfit. Influence. We need influence. Now, let me tell you. You see, there has been, since Joe Biden of America became president, there have been unrest in the world, no doubt about that. During Donald Trump, he was signing peace accords with different Arab countries, with Israel. That is not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. He commands respect. Now, today the Hamas, they are saying they want peace. Just today. You know why they are saying they want peace? Donald Trump just made a statement. If the American people and Israeli who are under your captive are not released before on 20 I will become president, it will be all hell for you. That is respect. He have commanded the respect. Let's watch before on 20. They will be released. They will be released. Putin was not talking for peace. He was not insisting on peace before the emergence of Donald Trump as the president-elect. Now everybody is trying to come to table because someone who commands respect has come. It's all about respect. You must respect Nnamdi Kanu. Even at detention, he's more influential than Soludo. If you like, you have your opinion, Write what you want to write. Talk to me anyhow you want to talk. But I am telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. As he is there in the detention, Abuja, he's more influential in Anambra than Soludo. That is what influence does. Anyway, let me rest my case here. What I'm trying to say is that if Nnamdi Kanu is not released, nobody should think that there is going to be peace in the southeast. So this is what I am just thinking, because when Nnamdi Kanu has not been detained, he was trying to bring it to an end. He was trying to bring the whole solution to an end. He was trying to bring the insecurity to an end, setting up security outfits, educating the people. Everything was just going. It has not been bad like this when Nnamdi Kanu has not been detained. So on that basics is the reason why I am saying that if he is released today, there is no doubt about that there will be security all through. Let me know what you think on the comment section. I am Okocha Obi myself, talking reality out of issues.